Hello everyone, again welcome to this channel. Here we create our imagination into reality. So today we are going to have something new to do. Today I am going to convert something like image into a solid 3D printed image. So we have one website where you can convert your image into lithophane or something like you will see when we move forward in this video. So let's start with the conversion. Here I already have that link bookmarked in my browser, so I will attach that link in the description so that you can also go through that link and can convert your image into lithophane. So after launching that website, you just need to will see something like this, and this kind of interface you will get. After you just click on that image tab and choose your image which you want to convert into lithophane. After selecting your image, you will see something like this, and here you can see below you can see all kind of styles which you can prefer. After selecting that, just click on refresh, and here that image is get converted into lithophane. After converting this, you can also choose what size you want, what 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 is the size that you want to print. After choosing that size, just go to models. By getting into models, you will see there is a download button. You can download your model from here. That you just need to open your lithophane in slicing software. In here I'm using Ultimaker Cura to slice it my lithophane. And after that, you just need to set up your print setting and just go ahead and print your model. For me, it took almost 14 hours to print, and here you can see the results.